Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick green bean tutorial. This is going to be canned green beans, but we're going to turn them into southern style green beans. So let's get into the video. We're going to start off by chopping up some onion. How much you put is totally up to you. And then we're going to empty the green beans out of the can, put them in a strainer and rinse them off just to get rid of that nasty can taste. And then we're going to add a little bit of water to a pot. It does not take much. And add a little bit of chicken bouillon powder and bring it to a boil. Add the green beans into that water. Add onions and bacon, and I'm using real crumbled bacon that I bought from the store, and just mix that up. Then we're going to go ahead and season it. What I'm using to season mine is garlic powder, black pepper, and a pinch of salt. And then we're just going to cover it with the lid and let it simmer for about 15 minutes just to get all those flavors incorporated into every green bean. And then you will have southern style green beans. No one will ever know that they came out of a can. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you do not have your post notifications turned on, you can do that by clicking the bell at the top right.